Hello and welcome to my new video. In my hands I have the Casio WS-1800 and I'm going to show you how to change your daylight saving time mode or turn your DST on or off. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that's the mode when the watch tells the time, press and hold the upper left button until you hear the beep. And there it is. The seconds are flashing, which means that we are in the position of setting our watch. Once there, press the mode button once, and we are in the position of setting our DST. By pressing the lower right button, you are shuffling DST on or off, which will also be indicated over here. To implement the settings, simply press the adjust button. We are back at the standard timekeeping mode, and we have changed our daylight saving time value. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.